I guess this is part 2 of day 1 of the saddle build. So I got the gross grain on here all the way around. And like I said, I did the edges down here first. That way I could come along the sides and go over top of them, and it makes a nice clean, I don't know, it covers it up really nice. And then this is the part I was talking about as far as leaving these little, I leave them anywhere from an inch and a half. And then what I do is I'll take them and then I'll fold them back. Fold them back just like that. And then I'll actually stitch along this outside edge. So I'll end up having 2 stitch lines just right there to hold it down. And that way it won't get snagged on anything on the outside. But I'm gonna do that to all 4 edges, and then I'll either take another video of that after that's done, or just take a picture and throw that in there. But that's what I got so far. Stick around, wait for the next part. If you guys like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, share if you don't mind. If you have any questions about what I'm doing, what machine I'm using it on, or anything like that, just comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks.